at Grand Lucky Superstore, the big one on Sunset Road, the new one. Just going to go in, check it out. I want to get some meat. I'll show you a process on how to cook the most tender, best meat and what to soak it in and marinate it in. So it's got to find the meat section. It's a good shop, this one. I did a full video on it when it first opened up. So, meat section. Alright, this is all the Aussie beef. Look at these steaks. 668, like 60 bucks for a steak. Wow. Anyway, we're not after that. It's after the cheapest, shittiest steak we can get. Got me steak. Got local sirloin. It's about half a kilo, good thick slab. And I'm going to marinate that and cook it tomorrow. Okay, so got me sirloin. Got some fish too. Throw that in the freezer. And now got to go across the road to Papaya because Yuli wants some mochis and some sushi. Let's go over there and get some of that. Wow, look at the traffic. Busy, busy. Alright, so now into Papaya. And yeah, I'll just check the meats and that in here too. So over at Grand Lucky, I just bought that steak for 70,000. It was a lot bigger. But this is Wagyu. It's only 75,000. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? Not too bad. So I might get one of them as well. Alright. Yeah, I've got Black Angus, Australian beef Black Angus, 80,000. That looks alright. Anyway. Let's go to Wagyu. Looks good marbling in it, looks nice, so grab that. This is what Yuli wants, some mochis. She said Dubai or something, Dubai chocolate, that must be them, alright. Alright, so got more than enough as usual. Spent about 40 bucks in it, here and there and here, but that'll do for today and some steak for tomorrow as well. Okay. Get back on the road and back home. Okay, so I'm just gonna make give me a little espresso maker, make some good quality coffee. Got me big chunk of steak there. Just salted up the steak a little bit. And yeah, we'll make the batch of coffee. Got the little espresso maker going. Now this is really strong coffee comes out of this, and I'll water it down. Then we'll soak the steak for 24 hours. See, the coffee's just starting to percolate now. It boils in the bottle and pushes it up through this and makes a very, very strong espresso coffee. Just let that go for a minute. Okay, so we've got a tray. We'll just wait till your coffee goes nearly cold before you put it in it. It'll change the colour of the meat. Just put that in the fridge for about 15 to 24 hours. Okay, so it's been resting in the coffee for 20 hours. I've taken it out of the coffee, I've patted it dry, I've put it on a plate, and it's a little bit darker in colour, but you can see on the edges where it's the same colour right through. It really does suck up. I think it's even swollen up a little bit. So put that in the fridge now and let it rest for at least half an hour to an hour. So we'll whack that in the fridge. We'll just let it sit. Alright, so I'm going to really slow cook this. There's hardly any flame at all. And I'll just put a bit of butter, a bit of oil and some garlic in the oil. I did 4 minutes on one side, I've just flipped it. I'll let that do another 4 minutes. So you don't sear your steak first, you cook it very slowly until it browns a little bit, and then you do a quick sear at the end and then let it rest. So it's cooking really slow for 10 minutes now. I'm just searing the end caps, just slow cooking, and I'll turn this on its end. You might have to hold it to do the ends. Give it 2 minutes on each end. Tomorrow now it says it's about, you know, rare to medium, medium to rare, so take that out. Couple of minutes on the other side, so you don't really have to sear it real quick in the beginning. they say sear it to hold the juices in, but if you just slow cook it, it gets a crust. Look, that's a good crust anyway, just by slow cooking it. So something this thick, which is pretty thick, it's a couple inches thick, you want to slow cook it. Alright, we'll take that off in a minute and let it rest for about 8 to 10 minutes. For the last couple of minutes I'm just rolling it into the butter and fat. Let it suck up some of that batter and fat, and we'll use all that juice to go into our gravy. Okay, so I can take that off now and let it sit. All that juice that's rendered down, all the tallow, go into our gravy with the garlic that we put in there before. That'll be the best gravy too. Alright, so we'll get rid of that. Let's warm up the gravy a little bit. Bring it back to a simmer. That should be ready. In the meantime, I've just put all the veggies in the air fryer. So I've got potatoes, sweet potato, pumpkin, bit of broccoli. They're cooked, ready to go. Let that rest and then we'll cut it and have a look. And look at that. It's got some thin slices, perfectly done. It's nice and pink. Look at that. Done to perfection. Alright, so I'll tip those juices into my gravy as well from the resting juices. This is just a quick little lunch for me. Looks perfectly done. Bit of the gravy over the steak, over the veggies. And look at that. Beautiful roast lunch cooked in a fry pan. What do you reckon, darling? Master Chef or what? Don't lie. Alright, let's try it. Okay, I guarantee this will be as good as anything you get anywhere. Try it out. Bit of gravy. Oh, it really is tender. Look at that. Beautiful. You can tell by soaking it in the coffee for so long, it definitely breaks down all that cartilage and all that fat, you know. Just makes it so tender. Look at the colour of that, just pink. I don't like raw steak, but this is just done perfect. What are you doing, Lex? You want some? Bad luck, it's all mine. Alright, I'm going to hook in my lunch. It's well worth the wait. It's marinating it all night, and yeah. Try marinating steak in coffee, makes a hell of a difference. Alright, so make sure you definitely rest your steak after you cook it. That's one important thing. It still keeps cooking after you take it off the heat. So by resting it, you get all them juices you can throw into your gravy, and it definitely gives all the fibres in the meat time to relax and become more tender. So anyway, try it out. The sweet potato, so good as well.